Networking can seem overwhelming, but understanding a few key terms makes everything simpler. Whether you are setting up Wi-Fi at home or exploring information technology, these basics will help you feel more confident. First, the IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is like your device's home address on a network. It lets devices send and receive data. Next, the domain name system, or DNS, acts as a phone book, translating website names like google.com into IP addresses computers use. A gateway, often your router, connects your local network to the internet, acting as the door to the online world. Firewalls protect your network by filtering traffic and blocking unauthorized access. Bandwidth measures how much data can move through your network, affecting download and streaming speeds. A MAC address is a unique identifier for your network device. Routers connect multiple devices and manage their internet traffic, while switches direct data efficiently within a local area network. The ping command checks if a device is reachable and measures connection speed. Finally, LAN stands for Local Area Network, and WAN means Wide Area Network. Mastering these terms gives you a solid foundation for troubleshooting or learning more about networking.